everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Duolingo app is not opening, keeps crashing, or just won't load properly, don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through some easy fixes to get Duolingo working again. Step first. Check internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Second, close the Duolingo app completely and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Third step, clear app cache and data. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Duolingo. Scroll down and locate this option called storage and tap on it. And then tap clear cache. If issues continue, try clear data. But remember, this may log you out. Fourth step is to update the app. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and make sure you have latest version of Duolingo installed. Fifth step, reinstall the app. If none of these work, simply uninstall Duolingo and reinstall it. This usually fixes most problems. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your Duolingo app not working issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.